I'm Morland, your South Etobicoke realtor. Today, we're going to dive into something super important for anyone looking to buy a home in South Etobicoke, especially for if you're a first-time home buyer. We're talking about down payments. So how much do you really need to save to buy a house? And is it actually as scary as you think? Let's break it down, and as promised, it's easier than you think. So first things first, what actually is a down payment? Simply put, it's the amount of money you put up front when you're buying a home. Your down payment combined with the mortgage amount you get from your bank is the total amount you pay for the house. The more you pay up front, the smaller your actual mortgage payment is going to be. Okay, now let's look at the numbers here in South Etobicoke. Let's figure out what is the actual down payment you need when you're buying a home based on different price ranges. So it's broken down into three main categories. First, there's homes up to $500,000. Basically, for those, you only need 5% down. So say you're going to buy a one-bedroom condo in Humber Bay that costs $500,000, you only need $25,000 up front. The next category is between $500,000 and $1 under $1 million. So that's $999,999. So basically, what changes here? First, you need 5% down for your first $500,000. Then you need 10% down for anything above that. So say you want to buy a townhouse in Long Branch that costs you $999,000. Your down payment would be $74,900. So basically, you kind of think of it this way. It's $25,000 for that first $500,000, then it's $49,900 for that rest. Now, let's look at homes over $1 million. Once you hit that $1 million mark, the down payment now jumps to 20% down of the total price. So if you want to buy, say you want to buy a detached home in Alderwood for $1.1 million, you would need $220,000 up front. So why the jump? If you purchase a home under $1 million, you qualify what is called mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance is a type of insurance that protects the lender if the borrower defaults on their mortgage payments. Even though the benefit is for the bank, you as a buyer are able to provide a lower down payment. Now, if you're planning to buy a home that's over $1 million, here's something important that you should know. Starting December 15th, 2024, the rules are changing. Homes priced up to $1.5 million will now qualify for that mortgage insurance, which means you might not need that full 20% down anymore. You could pay less upfront, which is similar to how it works for homes up to $1 million at this moment. So why does this change actually matter to you? Well, it's going to make it easier for first-time home buyers to get into the market. Basically, you won't have to put down as much. So think about now, you're gonna have to put that big 20% down payment to get into the market. But if you don't have to put down as much, it opens up a lot more options for you. Okay, let's recap. Homes under $500,000, you need 5% down. For homes between $500,000 and $999,999, or $1 underneath $1 million, you need 5% for that first $500,000 and then 10% for the rest. Now, if it's over $1 million, you need 20% down for now. But don't forget, in December 2024, the rules are going to be changing. So basically, this makes homes up to $1.5 million a little bit more affordable when it comes to the down payment. If you're saving up for your first home, I hope this clears things up. Don't let the numbers scare you. Home ownership is a lot more reachable than you think. I'm Morland, South Etobicoke realtor, and if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you want more tips on buying your first home. And as always, if you have any questions, comment below or feel free to DM me. See you next time.